Question 1. Which of the following volcanoes was thought to be extinct but it erupted violently? Option A. Mount Stromboli. Option B. Mount Fujiyama. Option C. Mount Etna. Option D. Mount Vesuvius. Right answer. Option D. Mount Vesuvius. Next question number 2. Which of the following type of volcanoes is eject most thick lava? Option A. Vesuvian type. Option B. Pylian type. Option C. Strombolian type. Option D. Volcanian type. Right answer. Option B. Pylian type volcanoes. Next question. Which of the following type of volcano erupts with great intensity and forms cauliflower-shaped volcanic cloud in the sky? Option A. Vesuvian type. B. Pylian type. C. Fissure type. D. Volcanian type. Right answer. Option D. Volcanian type. Next question. Question number 4. Among the following, which one is formed by the process of fissure eruption? Option A. Mount Stromboli. B. Columbia and Snake Plateau. C. Mount Sulawesi. D. None of these. Right answer. Option C. Columbia and Snake Plateau. Next question. Question number 5. Which of the following volcanic belt has highest occurrence of volcanic eruptions? Option A. Mid-Atlantic belt. B. Mid-Continental belt. C. Circum-Pacific belt. D. None of these. Right answer. Option C. Circum-Pacific belt. Next question. Question number 6. Which of the following volcanic belt is along the zone of convergence of continental plate margin? Option A. Mid-Atlantic belt. B. Mid-Continental belt. C. Circum-Pacific belt. D. None of these. Right answer. Option B. Mid-Continental belt. Next question. Question number 7. The world's most active volcano is Option A. Cotopaxi. B. Fujiyama. C. Kilauea. D. Vesuvius. Right answer. Option C. Kilauea volcano. Next question. Question number 8. Volcanic mountains are Option A. Opening through which volcanoes erupt. B. Accumulates volcanic material in the form of cones. C. Volcanic craters. D. None of the above. Right answer. Option B. Accumulates volcanic materials in the form of cones. Question number 9. Which of the following is a central eruption type of volcano? Option A. Mount Philly. Option B. Columbia Snake. Option C. Antrim. Option D. None of these. Right answer. Option A. Mount Philly. Next question. Question number 10. Volcanoes is observed in which of the following? Option A. Convergent plate margins. B. Divergent plate margins. C. Intra-plate fault. And D. All of the above. Right answer. Option D. All of the above. Next question. Which of the following is a dormant volcano? Option A. Mount Kilimanjaro. Option B. Barren Island. Option C. Mount Etna. Option D. Mount Fuji. Right answer. Option B. Barren Island. Next question. Consider the following option and choose the one which correctly depicts an extinct volcano? They erupt through a central pipe or a small opening. B. They have not erupted regularly but are known to erupt. Option C. They erupt frequently. Option D. They retain the feature of the volcanic but have not erupted at all. Right answer option D. Next question. Which of the following correct described volcanism? A. A vent or opening through which heated material or earth come out. B. Volcanic that erupt quickly but have less viscous lava. C. All the process related to movement heated materials from deep inside the earth. Right answer option C. Next question. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A. Active volcano never become dormant. B. Volcanic activity is confined to low and middle latitudes. C. A volcanic plug is made of viscous lava. D. Active volcanoes are always explosive. Right answer option D. Active volcanoes are always explosive. Lahore are described as fissure eruption moving violently down a slope, slurry, pyroclastic materials, debris, etc. flowing down from a volcano. Option C. Highly fluid lava flowing a plateaus. And option D. Atmospheric circulation flowing over Mediterranean Sea. Right answer option B. Next question. Basalt, rich and highly fluid lava are the characteristics of which of the following? Option A. Basic lava. Option B. Acidic lava. Option C. Both A and B. Option D. None of these. Right answer option A. Basic lava. Next question. Question number 17. Most of the world's volcanoes and volcanism is associated with option A. Convergence of plate margin. Option B. Divergence of plate margin. Option C. Faulting and subsidence of plate. And option D. Young fault mountains. Correct answer option A. Convergence of plate margins. Next question. Question number 18. Which of the following volcanoes are not situated along the continental belt? Option A. Mount Kilimanjaro. Option B. Mount Stromboli. Option C. Mount Fujiyama. Option D. None of the above. Right answer option C. Mount Fujiyama. Next question. Question number 19. Circum-Pacific Ring of the Fire includes which of the following regions? Eastern coastal margin of the Pacific Ocean, western coastal margin of the Pacific Ocean. Option C. Volcanic island scattered over the Pacific Ocean. Option D. All of the above. Right answer option D. All of the above. Next question. Question number 20. Which of the following is not includes in the Pacific Ring of Convergence plate margin? Option A. Mount Fuji. Option B. Mount Tal. Option D. Andean volcanoes. Option D. Mount Kilimanjaro. The right answer option D. Mount Kilimanjaro. And next question. Question number 21. The mid-Atlantic belt of volcanoes is a option A. Intra-plate fault. Option B. Convergent plate boundary. Option C. Conservation plate boundary. Option D. None of the above. Right answer option D. None of the above. Next question. Question number 22. In volcanism, the majority of the all volcanic gases are carbon dioxide. Option B. Water vapor. Option C. Sulfur dioxide. Option D. Nitrogen dioxide. Right answer option D. Nitrogen dioxide. Next question. Question number 23. Which of the following is the most active region of the mid-Atlantic belt of reeds? Option A, Greenland. Option B, Andes. Option C, Iceland. Option D, Japan. The right answer, option C, Iceland. Next question, question number 24. Volcanic eruptions cause the heat balance of Earth to change. Why? Option A, amount of insolation received in reduced due to volcanic dust and ash. Option B, ecosystem service get distracted due to volcanic eruption and temperature is raised. Option C, basic lava cause in insulation that reflect back because they are highly glossy. Option A is right. Next question, which of the following is not a feature of basic lava? Option A, highly fluid. Option B, rich in iron and manganese. Option C, pure silica content. And option D, loud explosions. Right answer, option D, loud explosions. And next question, question number 26. Which of the following is not a critical effect of volcanic eruptions? Option number A, diversions of natural drainage system. Option B, tsunami waves along the coastal regions. Option C, damage to natural ecosystem. Option D, cyclonic rainfalls. Right answer, option D, cyclonic rainfalls. Next question, question number 27. Which of the following gases are usually emitted from the fumarole? Option A, oxygen. Option B, carbon dioxide. Option C, nitrogen. Option D, hydrogen. Right answer, option B, carbon dioxide. Next question, question number 28. A large basin shaped volcanic craters is called. Option A, volcanic cones. Option B, volcanic pipe. Option C, caldera. Option D, none of this. The right answer, option C, caldera. And next question, question number 29. The magma extruded the Earth's surface from a fissure is called. Option A, lava flow. Option B, moot flow. Option C, fumaroles. Option D, none of this. The right answer, option A, lava flow. Next question, question number 30. The rapid downslope flow of saturated soil and rock debris under the influence of gravity is option A, lava flow. Option B, mud flow. Option C, fumaroles. Option D, none of this. Right answer, option B, mud flow. Next question, question number 31. A small vent in the Earth's surface from which steam and other volcanic gases escape is called. Option A, lava flow. Option B, mud flow. Option C, fumaroles. Option D, none of this. Right answer, option C, fumaroles. Next question, question number 32. The unconsolidated pyroclastic materials consisting the finely comminuted fragment of rock and lava which have been ejected exclusively from a volcanic are volcanic ash, dust, magma, geyser. Right answer, number A, volcanic ash. Next question. Strictly, the orifice of a volcanic through which lava reaches the surface and in which of the lava eventually solidifies called. Option A, volcanic neck. Option B, volcanic cones. Option C, volcanic pipe. Option D, caldera. Right answer, option A, volcanic neck. Next question number 34. The finest particle thrown out of a volcano eruptions are option A volcanic ash, option B volcanic dust, option C magma, option D geyser. Right answer option B volcanic dust. Next question number 35. The volcanoes that constantly eject volcanic lava, gases, acids, and fragmental materials are called active volcanoes. Next question number 36. Linear eruption, a steady, non-exclusive outpouring of lava, is usually basic from the depth of the earth to the earth's surface is called fissure eruption, volcanic pipe, volcanic cones, caldera. Right answer option A fissure eruption. Next question number 37. The term peely hair is called as option A Hawaii type of volcanoes, option B Strombolian type of volcanoes, or option C Volcanian type of volcanoes, option D Vesuvius type of volcanoes. Right answer option A Hawaiian type of volcanoes. Next question number 38. Which volcano is called the light pillar of Mediterranean Sea? Option A Hawaii, option B Stromboli, option C Fujiyama, option D Vesuvius. Right answer option B Stromboli. Next question number 39. Which of the following is the best example of dormant volcano? Option A Stromboli, option B Vesuvius, option C Lipari, option D Pili. Right answer option B Vesuvius type of volcano or Vesuvius volcano. Next question. Who postulated eruption hypothesis is option A Delhi, option B Holmes, option C Suez, option D none of this. Right answer option A Delhi. Next question number 41. Stromboli volcano is the best example of number A active volcanoes, number B dormant volcanoes, or number C extinct volcanoes, number D none of this. The right answer option A active volcanoes. Next question number 42. Volcanic zones of the convergent oceanic plate margin is known as option A circum-Pacific belt, option B mid-continental belt, option C mid-Atlantic belt, option D intraplate volcanoes. Right answer option A circum-Pacific belt. Next question number 43. 80% of the world active volcanoes are found along the option A constructive or divergent plate margin, B destructive and convergent plate boundary areas, option C mid continental belt, option D none of this. Right answer option B destructive or convergent plate boundary areas. Next question. Which of the following is the highest volcanic mountain of the world? Option A Cotopaxi, option B Cracker, option C Stromboli, option D Vesuvius. Right answer option A. Crotopaxi. And next question or last question. Which of the following is not the intrusive volcanic topography? Option A. Batholith. Option B. Lacolith. Option C. Phacolith. Option D. Calderas. Right answer option D. Calderas. Please subscribe our channel for more updates.